Hello everybody, how are you doing? Personally, I'm doing good. Welcome very much in our today's lesson. As you can see, we are discussing on exponential equation, and the question is find the value of x, whereby you are given the equation as 5 power x plus 5 plus 5 power x plus 3 is equal to 26. So we are going to solve that question step by step. Before I proceed, if you are new here, I'm Teacher Purity Joel. I teach mathematics to both JSS and senior secondary school students for betterment of their performance in mathematics. Welcome very much to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. Let us solve the question together. So we are supposed to know that when we have an exponential equation with the same basis, and then the powers in between the powers we have addition, then in case we want to include the bases, we need to multiply. And then that is 5 power x times 5 power 5, and then plus 5 power x times 5 power 3. But in this case, we are not going to do that, because as you can see in this side, we have 26. So step number 1 for this question, let us write 26 to have basis 5, so that we can have the same basis. So 26 can be written as 5, maybe it can be written as 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1 is the same as 26. Then this can also be written as 5 power 2, which is 25, plus 5 power 0, which is 1. Anything power 0 is equivalent to 1. So let us substitute these to these. So we'll have 5 power x plus 5, then plus 5 power x plus 3 is equal to, now we're not going to write 26, but 5 power 2 plus 5 power 0. Yeah, now look at that. Now the powers are, the bases are now similar. 5, 5, 5, 5. So we can drop the bases, or dropping the bases, we'll have the powers now x plus 5 plus x plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 0. The powers are the bases are the same, so we drop them and we equate the powers. Now we'll have x plus x, grouping like terms together, we have x plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 0. X plus x is 2, x plus 5 plus 3 is 8, is equal to 2 plus 0, which is 2. Yes, and then let us keep on grouping like terms together. So we'll take positive 8 to that side, and we'll change from positive to negative. So we'll have 2x is equal to 2 minus 8, and 2x will be equal to negative 6. Sorry. So we'll have dividing through by 2 to remain with x. We'll have 2 cancels 2 to have 1x, which is just x, and x will be equal to by 2 1 by 2 negative 3. So this will be negative 3, and x will be negative 3. That was the our goal. We were looking for x. So x is negative 3. Look at that. A question solved step by step, showing all these steps. Just imagine showing these steps. You must definitely get all the marks, and you are going to motivate the teacher or whoever is marking your work to give you all the marks. Well organized work. Yeah, so we can prove to see whether our answer is correct. Remember, I always tell my students that every other time you do a question in mathematics, you can always mark for yourself most of the questions. So in this case, our x has been negative 3. So we can substitute wherever we have x with negative 3 and see whether we're going to get 26. So we'll have 5 power negative 3 plus 5. Yes, I've substituted our x with negative 3 as we have got in our working, negative 3. Yes, plus 5 power negative 3 plus 3. Let us see what we are going to get. So 5 power negative 3 plus 5, negative 3 plus 5, negative 3 plus 5 is the same as 2. So we'll have 5 power negative, power 2 plus negative 3 plus 3 is the same as 0, 0. Yes, so we'll have plus 5 power 0, and this is the same as 5 power 2 is 25 plus 5 power 0 is 1, and therefore this is equal to 25 plus 1, which is 26. Yeah, so we can confidently say the value of x is negative 3 because it has proved that 5 power x plus 5 plus 5 power x plus 3 is equal to 26. So this was just proving. Yeah, we were just proving that the answer is correct. So it's always good that when we're doing a question in mathematics, you do the questions a bit first so that you can get some time to check whether your answers are correct. Maybe if you don't get the correct answers during the proving, you can check out where you have done the mistake. So thank you very much for watching this lesson up to the end. I really appreciate for that. As I said, we'll be dropping more lessons in mathematics, both GSS and senior secondary school. Thank you once again for watching. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, just click the subscribe button. Subscribe, and I will really appreciate. If you have a problem in any of the topics, kindly just drop your comment, the comment section, and I will consider your request. Till next time, bye bye.